What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys, all right? Today I wanted to make an update video on my folding stem. I know you guys been waiting on that one for a while now, and we've been working behind the scenes, and whew, I think we got something. I think we got something that you guys are going to love. Woo. Oh my God, this bike is so freaking fast. Let's go. So we have a new and improved version of the stem. If you guys recall, the last one we had to work out some kinks, but this one, man, incredible. Okay, this is everything you guys have been waiting for. I'm currently on a mission to the bank right now. I'm ready to order my first batch, guys. A couple months ago I ordered a sample of the stem. I tried it out on a couple of the bikes and it's working perfectly. Okay, so now I'm ready to order. I just sold the EUI bike that the last video that I made, the freaking catfish bike. I just sold that one, so I have a little bit of extra money. So I'm about to deposit this money into the bank and make my first order. The first order is going to be 100 units. And yeah, hopefully you guys can get one. If not, we'll see what the demand is. We might do another order. We'll see. I'm just excited that we'll be able to get these out to the people, because I know you guys been waiting for a solution with the BMX bars. So yeah, man, this is exciting stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Currently on Leticia. She is working like a dream, going 34 miles per hour uphill. Easy. Look, 36. Oh my God, this is the life I want to live. I'm hoping we can get these stems out by at least the beginning of summer, because there's only a couple things that I really need to do. I got Tiana trying to figure out how much it's gonna cost to buy 100 boxes so I can package it. And then I got one of my friends working on my website. Hopefully once all that's done, we can release them. Jesus. Somebody needs to empty the trash. Here it is, guys. This is the money that is going to buy the first batch of stems. Oh my God. This is a day in history right now. Dude, your boy is living paycheck to paycheck. I am putting all of my money into this. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully, I don't know, we'll see, man, but I thought it was a good idea. Just made the deposit. Let's go back home. I want to show you guys the stem. I currently have it on the small little Mac wheel. I like to jump it off of curbs and stuff like that. I wanted to stress test the stem, make sure that it wouldn't collapse on anybody. And it's pretty sturdy, I will say. Can we make this light? Let's see. We got it, we got it. It's nothing to a boss. It's nothing to a boss that has a freaking 3,000 watt e-bike. Come on, let's go. What is that? It's a squirrel. Oh, I almost ran it over. Ooh, we almost died. We almost died. We almost died. Woo! All right, guys, back at home. I promised you guys I would show you guys the stem. All right, you guys are ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry, I can't show you guys the full stem until we're ready to release it. But like I said, hopefully by the summer, we can have it out. Hopefully you guys are excited to get these stems. If so, hit that like button. And until the next video, deuces like that.